wow, it's cold out. And it's probably the best time for you to think about your air conditioner. No, I'm serious. Do you remember last year, maybe years ago, people talking about shortages of supplies? Well, with air conditioners, that happens every single year. A lot of times people wait until the last minute, and they know their air conditioner's old and they know it's weak. And then all of a sudden, the heat comes on, you get a few really hot days in a row, and the air conditioner's not working or it's not keeping up. And then you call around and you try to get people out to see you, HVAC companies, of course, and you find out that they're really busy, they can't come right away, and if they can, they can't get the equipment because the good stuff's already gone, the cheap stuff is what they can get, and they're overpricing all of that stuff. So maybe this year, if you know you're having trouble, it would be a good idea to reach out to any HVAC company, try and pick a reputable one from your area, check the reviews, but check around, get some guys out to, look it over, see what they can do for you, pick whoever you like, pick the price that matches your budget, but at least get started on it so you'll have a new one in place and working before you get left too hot. And you know how people are when they get too hot, they can get downright cranky. So in this case, stay warm, but plan to stay cool. Stay tuned.